Welcome to Jehumat channel. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share. Our topic for today is all about geometric sequence. A geometric sequence is a sequence where each term after the first is obtained by multiplying a constant called common ratio. The formula for geometric sequence is a sub n is equal to the first term times the common ratio raised to n minus 1. Examples. Number 1, 3, 6, 12, 24 is an example of a geometric sequence since there is a common ratio. 6 divided by 3 is 2, 12 divided by 6 is 2, and 24 divided by 12 is 2. So the common ratio of the given sequence is 2. Number 2, find the next three terms of the geometric sequence 6, 18, 54, 162. The common ratio is 3 since 18 divided by 6 is 3, 54 divided by 18 is 3, and 162 divided by 54 is 3. To find the next three terms, multiply 3 to each preceding terms. So 162 times 3 is equal to 486. 486 times 3 is 1,458. 1,458 times 3 is 4,374. Therefore, the next three terms are 486, 1,458, and 4,374. Number 3, find the missing terms or the first three terms of the geometric sequence 6, 18, 54, 162. Since the common ratio is 3, and the missing terms are the preceding terms of the given sequence divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 divided by 3 is 2/3, and 2/3 divided by 3 is 2/9. So, the first three terms of the given geometric sequence are 2/9, 2/3, and 2. Now, your task is to find the ratio of the second number to the first number, and you are given 3 minutes to accomplish this. Time to check your answer. Number 1, 10 divided by 2 is 5. Number 2, 9 divided by negative 3 is negative 3. Number 3, 1/2 divided by 3 is equal to 1/2 times 1/3, which is equal to 1/6. Number 4, negative 20 divided by negative 5 is 4. And number 5, 18 divided by 12 is 3/2. Another task is to state whether each of the following sequences is geometric or not. If yes, give the common ratio. Number 1, 5, 25, 125, 625, and so on. Number 2, 7 square root of 2, 14 square root of 2, 28 square root of 2, 56 square root of 2, and so on. Number 3, 4, negative 8, 16, negative 32, and so on. Number 4, 11 over 3, 13 over 6, 15 over 9, 18 over 15, and so on. Number 5, 4, 20, 100, 500, and so on. You have 5 minutes to answer this. Now, let's check your answer. Number 1, 5, 25, 125, 625, and so on. So let's see if this is a geometric sequence. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 125 divided by 25 is 5. 625 divided by 125 is 5. This is an example of a geometric sequence since the common ratio is 5. Number 2, 7 square root of 2, 14 square root of 2, 28 square root of 2, 56 square root of 2, and so on. So 14 square root of 2 divided by 7 square root of 2 is 2. 28 square root of 2 divided by 14 square root of 2 is 2. 56 square root of 2 divided by 28 square root of 2 is 2. This is an example of a geometric sequence since there is a common ratio which is 2. Number 3, 4, negative 8, 16, negative 32, and so on. Negative 8 divided by 4 is negative 2. 16 divided by negative 8 is negative 2. Negative 32 divided by 16 is negative 2. This is also an example of a geometric sequence with a common ratio of negative 2. Number 4, 11 over 3, 13 over 6, 15 over 9, 18 over 15, and so on. 13 over 6 divided by 11 over 3 is equal to 13 over 22. And 15 over 9 divided by 13 over 6 is equal to 10 over 13. This is not an example of a geometric sequence since there is no common ratio. Number 5, 4, 20, 100, 500, and so on. 20 divided by 4 is 5, 100 divided by 20 is 5, 500 divided by 100 is 5. This is an example of a geometric sequence since there is a common ratio of 5. What are missing? Find the missing terms in each geometric sequence. Let's see if your answers are correct. Number 1, first get the common ratio. So 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 16 divided by 8 is 2. The next three terms are 32, 64, and 128. Since 16 times 2 is 32, 32 times 2 is 64, 64 times 2 is 128. Number 2, 100 divided by 50 is 2. 100 times 2 is 200, 200 times 2 is 400, 400 times 2 is 800, and 50 divided by 2 is 25. Number 3, negative 20 divided by 10 is negative 2. So the common ratio is negative 2. Negative 20 times negative 2 is positive 40. 40 times negative 2 is negative 80. Negative 80 times negative 2 is positive 160. Number 4, 6 divided by 12 is 1 half. So 6 times 1 half is 3. 3 times 1 half is 3 halves. And 3 halves times 1 half is 3/4. Number 5, 4096 divided by 1024 is 4. So 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 4 is 64, and 64 times 4 is 256. Number 6, 1088 divided by 544 is equal to 2. So 544 divided by 2 is 272. 272 divided by 2 is 136. And 136 divided by 2 is 68. We hope you learned